Hi everyone, welcome back to Dash of Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 simple and delicious air fryer appetizers. Let's start with some air fried sweet potatoes. For this recipe you'll need a sweet potato, olive oil, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. The first thing you're going to do is peel your sweet potato. If your sweet potato has a big crevice like mine did, you can just slice that off. Chop your sweet potato into thin strips about 1/4 inch wide. Drizzle with oil and sprinkle about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper if you want your fries to have a little kick to them. Mix everything up really well, making sure that each fry is coated evenly with your seasonings. Transfer the potatoes to your air fryer, making sure that there's some space between each fry. This will help your fries come out nice and crispy. Let them cook at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, giving them a shake about halfway through cooking. Serve with your favorite condiment. I love to eat sweet potato fries with chipotle mayo or garlic mayo. For our next recipe, I'll show you how to make bacon-wrapped asparagus. All you'll need is some asparagus with the tough ends cut off and some bacon. Take 1 piece of asparagus and 1 piece of bacon and roll the asparagus up at a bit of an angle. You can use half a slice of bacon if you have smaller pieces of asparagus. Spear 3 to 4 toothpicks in each bacon-wrapped asparagus, making sure that the toothpick goes through both the bacon on one side, through the asparagus, and then through the bacon on the other side, just to make sure it all holds together nicely. Slice each of them in between the toothpicks to create nice bite-sized pieces. Place them in your air fryer and let them cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Bacon-wrapped asparagus is so easy to make, and let's face it, anything wrapped in bacon is sure to be a crowd pleaser. For my last recipe, I'll show you how to make crab and cheese wontons. You'll need wonton wrappers, cream cheese, imitation crab, garlic powder, green onion, soy sauce, salt, and non-stick cooking spray. Slice up 1 green onion, dice about half a package of imitation crab into very fine chunks. Add an entire block of cream cheese to a bowl, then add in your sliced green onion and crab. Season with a bit of salt and a teaspoon of garlic powder and soy sauce. Mix it all really well. This is going to be our filling for the wontons. Get your wrapping station ready with your wonton wrappers, a small bowl of water, and your filling nearby. Take one wonton wrapper and place a heaping teaspoon of filling in the middle. Dip your finger in water and wet the edges of the wrapper. Fold in two opposite corners and give them a little pinch at the top. Do the same with the other two corners and pinch them at the top as well. Pinch the edges together and make sure that there's no air trapped inside your wonton. Spray your air fryer tray with cooking oil and place a batch of your wontons in, then spray the tops of your wontons with cooking oil as well. Cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 minutes. Enjoy them with your favorite sauce. I wish I had some sweet chili sauce, but you can use soy sauce or peanut sauce. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.